Hello guys, today I teach you subtract formula used in MS Excel or how to use subtract formula in MS Excel. You will learn guys, full watch guys, get start. You can see first column ABH, last column ABI. Get click equal first column ABH and last column ABI. First of all, shift bracket first column ABH, with row, two row. So ABH 2, a column ABH, row 2, so ABH 2 minus last column ABI with row 2, ABI and row 2, last column ABI with row 2, ABI 2. Shift close column, get enter. Equal answer 40. And you can see second use formula subtract. First column ABH, or second column, last column ABI. First of all, equal and first column ABS. First of all, shift bracket first column ABH, ABH with row 3, ABH 3 minus last column ABI with row 3, ABI or with row 3. Close bracket, shift close bracket, get enter. And track 3000 minus 988. How to subtract? Get start. First of all, equal shift control bracket first column ABH, ABH with row 4 minus last column ABI with row 4, ABI with row 4. Shift close bracket, get enter. You can see answer 2012. Subtract formula used in MS Excel. You learnt guys. Last. Hello guys, get start. First column ABI, last column ABJ. Before first of all, equal shift bracket first column ABI with row 10, ABI 10, ABI 10. Last column ABJ minus ABJ with row 10, ABJ with row 10, 1 0. Get enter, but before close the bracket, get enter. Minus amount 37,678. You know that guys, how to subtract in MS Excel. Next question. Equal, press shift bracket, first column ABI with row 11, ABI with row 11 minus last column ABJ with row 11 shift close bracket, get enter. Total amount 80,000. Subtract amount 80,000. How to get answer? You know that? Subtract formula in MS Excel. Last question, second last. Equal, shift bracket, first column ABI and last column ABJ. Okay. With row 12 ABI 12 minus last column ABJ with row 12 12 shift close bracket, get enter. You can see workbook sheet, get answer 20,000. Last question. First column ABI before equal. Next type first column ABI with row 13 13 minus before bracket shift bracket start and last column ABJ with row 13 13. Close the bracket, get enter. You can see guys, total 15,000. You full watch guys and get result. I think you learned the Excel formula of subtraction. You know that guys?